Hello and welcome. Today we will be reviewing the Samsara Dashcam. Samsara was founded in 2015 by the co-founders of Meraki. It is headquartered in San Francisco and has offices in San Jose, Atlanta, and London. Some of the solutions provided by the Samsara includes vehicle telematics, driver safety, mobile workflow and compliance, asset tracking, and industrial process controls. It offers two variants of dashcams, front facing and dual facing. The front facing model, CM31, records the road, whereas the dual facing CM32 records both road and inside of the cab. Samsara dashcams are wider than the other dashcams in the market. Its operating temperature ranges from -4 to 149 Fahrenheit. We would rate the design of this dashcam a score of B. Pricing for Samsara dashcams vary across both variants. The dual-facing AI dashcam costs $624 per year. This includes the license and hardware, along with vehicle IoT gateway hardware and Samsara vehicle cable. The front-facing AI dashcam costs $468 per year. This includes hardware, license, vehicle IoT gateway hardware, and Samsara vehicle cable. From what we could find out, the Samsara dashcam does require a subscription to the vehicle gateway. Due to this, the pricing is far too high and requires a 3-year contract. Hence, we would be rating the pricing of these dashcams a score of D. Samsara AI dashcams can be plugged directly into the vehicle gateway, which connects to the OBD port. One of the biggest drawbacks of this port installation is its lack of portability. If a fleet wants to move a dashcam from one vehicle to another, or even remove it from the vehicle when needed, dashcams that can plug into a cigarette lighter or is battery powered is ideal. We would rate the installation of these dashcams a score of C. Samsara dashcams are powered by artificial intelligence. Leveraging the artificial intelligence or AI enables moving the heavy lifting associated with analytical analysis from the cloud into the camera, which opens the door for real time notifications. It alerts drivers about speed limits, pedestrians, and vehicles in dangerous proximity in real time. Samsara's object recognition and real time alerts offer warnings and safety alerts and watch for safety coaching opportunities as advanced driver assistance systems ADAS do. The dual facing dashcam offers live scene analysis and built in speaker for driver coaching. M32 is purpose built to reduce high risk behaviors like distracted driving and tailgating, lower safety related costs, and provide deep visibility into fleet operations. We would rate the artificial intelligence on Samsara dashcams a score of A. The VG34 vehicle gateway provides live GPS tracking, FMCSA approved ELD capabilities, engine diagnostics, a built in Wi Fi hotspot, driver workflows, advanced analytics, etc. The gateway costs $129 plus an additional $400 annual license fee on a 3-year contract that includes maintenance, support, cloud software, and cellular data if applicable. We will be rating the vehicle gateway a score of C-. Both Samsara dashcams feature an inbuilt microphone that captures audio. By default, this feature is turned off. If the user activates audio capture, Samsara confirms if admins have notified all drivers and affected staff. This feature is to protect a driver's privacy. The Samsara dashcam does not record footage in speeding events. However, audio alerts can be activated to warn drivers when speeding event occurs. Also, text and email alerts can be sent to managers directly. We would rate the audio a score of B-. The dashcams upload a footage 10 seconds before and after an incident is recorded. Samsara's front-facing dashcam features wide-angle lens that captures video with Full HD at 1080p. It also offers HDR mode for low light and night vision. The inward-facing camera features wide-angle lens with Full HD 1080p video, HDR mode, and infrared LED for low light recording and night vision. Both capture at 30 frames per second. The videos, however, cannot be streamed live. Incident footage is uploaded once the event ends. The footage for non-incident events can be requested in short intervals. For dual-facing CM32s, the previous 40 hours of driving time is accessible. For front-facing CM31s, the past 24 hours of driving time is accessible. We would rate the video feature on this dashcam a score of C+. The dashcams feature a 1300 mAh battery for backup power. We would rate battery on these dashcams a score of C. A Samsara dashcam is plugged into a vehicle gateway. The recorded footage is auto-uploaded to Samsara Cloud as soon as a vehicle detects an incident. It also seamlessly integrates with the vehicle gateway. For memory and video storage, we would rate this dashcam a score of C. The footage captured on Samsara dashcam is secure as it is transferred using military-grade encryption. Only approved and authorized admins can review and request videos. We would rate the security feature on this dashcam a score of B. The internal accelerometer recognizes impacts like crashes, hard braking, acceleration, and turning. When these events are avoidable, the in-cab alert warns the driver to adjust their driving behavior. The sensitivity level vary across the settings, that is, car, light truck, or a heavy-duty vehicle. The dashcam also uses computer vision to detect traffic violations, for example, rolling through a stop sign. We would rate the G-force accelerometer on these dashcams a score of B. The dashcam and the gateway also curates driver and vehicle safety scorecards. It displays statistics about the distance driven, time, event summary, fleet trends, and a total score for a driver on these aspects. We would rate the driver scorecard and analytics a score of B+. Now let's have a look at the pros of these dashcams. Real-time assistance and coaching, rolling stop detection, auto speed updates, safety trend graph, cloud storage, computer vision with ability to read and interpret stop signs and speed limits, auto upload of event footage. Let's move on to cons. First, the Samsara dashcam is unable to retrieve segments more than 60 seconds in length at any one period of time. Though it offers a hyperlapse mode, it does not prove of much utility as the compression effectively omits frames. While doing so, it makes it difficult to identify incident times. Second, the dashcam does not upload footage from speeding. Third, videos cannot be streamed live. Fourth, reporting structure is not as convenient as it could be. The customization options are fairly limited. Fifth, connecting the camera systems to existing line equipment is a bit difficult. And sixth, there is a noticeable amount of lag at times when making adjustments for fine-tuning requirements. Samsara dashcams are dependable and reliable for larger fleets. Its AI-backed features help in efficient management of the fleet and its resources. However, the features come with a higher price point and may not be an ideal option for smaller fleets due to its pricing and add-on expenses. Considering all the features discussed, we would give this dashcam an overall score of C+.